When it comes to data collection for digital marketing and business, Bright Data is one of the top choices out there. But before you decide whether it's the right tool for you, here are 7 essential things you need to know. Stick with me till the end because we'll cover everything from pricing to functionality, and trust me, you won't want to miss the final point. It could save you a lot of time and money. First off, Bright Data is a web scraping and proxy service that allows you to access data from websites that might be blocking your standard connection. What sets it apart from competitors like Scraping Hub or Smart Proxy is its sheer scale and range of features. Bright Data offers over 72 million residential IPs globally, which is a game changer for anyone who needs reliable and large-scale data collection. Next, let's talk about how customizable the service is. Unlike some competitors, Bright Data gives you complete control over your data gathering. You can choose specific locations, select the type of IPs you need, and even automate your data scraping. It's much more flexible than many of the alternatives, which often come with rigid parameters that may not fit your project needs. The third thing you need to know is its pricing. Now, it's no secret that Bright Data isn't the cheapest option out there. But considering the quality and scale of its service, it offers great value if you need massive amounts of data or highly targeted scraping. Prices vary based on your usage, so you'll want to assess your needs carefully before jumping in. For comparison, competitors like Oxylabs might offer lower rates, but they can't always match Bright Data's level of precision and flexibility. The fourth thing is the user interface. Bright Data has made great strides in making their platform user-friendly. The dashboard is intuitive, and setting up your proxies or scraping tasks is relatively simple. But if you're someone who's used to working with more straightforward tools, the learning curve might feel steep at first. But don't worry, there's a ton of support and guides available to help you get on your feet quickly. Next up, you should consider Bright Data's data quality. It's arguably one of the best in the business, with minimal downtime, high accuracy, and fast speeds. This is where Bright Data truly shines compared to competitors. Many other services struggle to provide data with this level of consistency, especially when dealing with geolocated data or specific data points from high-traffic websites. Now, let's talk about legal and ethical concerns. With all web scraping tools, it's essential to stay on the right side of the law. Bright Data is proactive about helping users navigate these concerns. They offer tools to manage requests in compliance with site terms of service, which is something that many smaller competitors don't prioritize. This attention to detail can help you avoid costly mistakes. The last thing to know is how robust Bright Data's customer support is. Whether you're facing technical issues or need help with optimization, their team is responsive and knowledgeable. They also provide various resources, including case studies and tutorials. In my experience, this level of support is hard to find with other data collection services. If you're thinking about using Bright Data, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description. That will give you access to their best free trial and some exclusive benefits that will help you get started. With its vast proxy network, high-quality data, and solid customer support, Bright Data is worth considering for anyone serious about data collection. Just make sure it fits your budget and project requirements. Click the link below to start your free trial today and get exclusive benefits to make your experience even better.